Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Tally Prime version and selecting the company to back up. This ensures compatibility. Once done, switch to single-user mode or warn users because active sessions can corrupt backup. Make sure you have the destination ready, local folder, network share, or USB, and verify free space in GB. Then open Gateway of Tally, navigate to the company menu, and choose Backup. This is your first actionable step to capture the data safely and consistently. You now choose the source company and set the save path. Network UNC or local drive both work. UNC avoids mapping issues. Next, pick what to include. Data, configuration, masters, include ledgers and vouchers unless you need a slim copy. Use a clear, date-stamped file name like company YIMD, TDL, or zip so restores are obvious. Then click OK to start, watch the progress, and note any warnings. If it finishes cleanly, verify file size and timestamp before moving or copying the file. You restore by choosing Restore from the Gateway of Tally, picking the backup file, and setting the target folder. This recreates the company. Make sure the Tally Prime version matches. If not, migrate data or update Tally before restoring. Once restored, open company and verify balances, voucher counts, and critical reports. If restore fails, try an alternate backup copy, run a compact or verification utility, and check for antivirus interference. If problems persist, escalate to Tally support with error messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.